Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about discounted cash flow DCF. At the end of the lesson, you will learn definition and importance of DCF. Discounted cash flow DCF is a valuation method used to estimate the value of an investment based on its expected future cash flows. DCF helps to determine the value of an investment based on its future cash flows, and the present value of expected future cash flows is arrived at using a discount rate to calculate the DCF. DCF analysis in particular attempt to determine the present value of an investment based on projections of how much money it will generate in the future. DCF is important in arriving at investment decision or capital budgeting. For instance, discounted cash flow helps to determine the value of an investment based on its future cash flows. That includes internal rate of returns and net present value. The present value of an expected future cash flows is arrived at using discounted rate to calculate the DCF. To measure DCF, we require discount rate, number of period or year, and expected cash flows for the particular period or year. In this example, we have 5-year future cash flow projections. Year 1 and 2 will generate $100 each year. Year 3 and 4 will generate $400 each year, and finally year 5 will generate $600. And the discount rate for the future cash flows is 5%. By plugging the numbers in the table, shows in fourth column discounted cash flows or present value of future cash flow projections. Use DCF technique have a number of advantages. First of all, DCF uses specific numbers that include important assumptions about a business, including cash flows projection, growth rate, and other measures to arrive at a value. So this technique is extremely detailed, information based. Secondly, DCF calculates value apart from subjective market sentiment and is more objective than other method. That is, this technique determines intrinsic value of a project. And finally, performing DCF analysis can help companies calculate the internal rate of return on investment, which allow them to compare the value of competing investment. DCF also used to determine net present value. Also, DCF have some drawbacks. First of all, performing a discounted cash flow analysis requires a significant amount of financial data, including projection for cash flow and capital expenditure over several years. Sometimes might find it difficult to gather the required data. Secondly, the reliability of a discounted cash flows analysis is dependent on accurate estimates and projection. Third, an important part of discounted cash flow formula is terminal value of the investment, which is present value of a company or investment after multi-year forecast period. However, the terminal value is very difficult to estimate. Finally, the discounted cash flow analysis also use the subject company's weighted average cost of capital, which represent the company's cost of capital from all its sources as part of its formula. It can be difficult a number to accurately assess for the method. Thank you.